welcome back to another update. Today we're going to be talking about Laura because, well, that's the only thing left because Marco has died, so we can't talk about that anymore. As we can see here, Laura is at 90 miles per hour now and 978 millibars. So yes, Laura is a hurricane. And 978 millibars for a 90 mile per hour Category 1 hurricane. Like, this could be a Category 2 now because Recon, I think, actually found 85 knot wind speeds around there. But again, you know how the National Hurricane Center goes. They don't really like to listen to Recon that much. Here is the infrared loop for Laura. We can see it's had a blow up of convection down here in the southeast and, well, that's actually southwest. The southwest and southeast quadrants, maybe a little bit in the eastern side. So they had a blow up on convection right now. It actually had like an eye trying to form not too long ago, but that actually has been covered up now. So its eye is no longer there. It's still there. It's just covered up. So if we can see here, it's looking really organized. I believe this is outflow right here, if I'm correct. And overall, it looks really healthy. Here is the shear tendency, and we can see that where Laura is going, decreasing wind shear. So the environment is really going to be very favorable for Laura, looks like. Now, real quick, let's look at the forecast discussion. This is actually forecasted to reach, behold, the mighty 120 miles per hour. So this very well could become a Category 4 hurricane if it really tries. Here is its forecast cone. We can see here that there is now hurricane warnings and over here in the eastern part of Texas, basically over here, and I forgot what that bay is called over there, so I'm just going to call it the bay. And all the way over here into Louisiana. So, as we can see here, the cone forecast a major hurricane happening. So, it's looking very likely Laura will be the first major hurricane this year. Also, looks like it's supposed to be an extratropical system over here near Nova Scotia. So I guess if it does take a path over there, there can be a lot of rain associated with its remnants. Or, you know, it could just happen to regenerate over here into an actual fully tropical or subtropical system. I mean, it has happened before. And Force 13, I actually think, said it's possible in their live stream, so I guess. Here's the intensity guidance for Laura. We can see that all the models are showing it becoming a hurricane because, well, it is a hurricane. Well, a lot of the models show it become Category 2. Well, basically almost every model, except for these outliers right here, show it become a Category 2 hurricane. And a lot of those actually keep on showing it to Category 3. And I actually think right there, 3 models show a Category 4 hurricane. So it's looking likely and likely. Each hour passing, more intensification, more convection. Looks like it's getting likely and likely that we could see a Category 4 major hurricane. My predictions for this system is actually 125 to 130 miles per hour. So a little bit higher than what the National Hurricane Center says, you know, except for 130, that's like a lot higher. Wait a second, I don't think 130 even exists in miles per hour. I don't even think that exists. What? Yeah, I don't think 130 exists. I think it skips, like, you know, it skips from 50 to 60 and all that, and like 90 to 100. I think it goes from 25 to 35. I'm not completely sure on that. I'm going to have to look into that. So, bye. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.